Hello everyone, I'm Lindsay Poe for NCDOT Now. As campaign season ramps up, you'll likely notice more political signs along North Carolina's roadways.
With early voting already underway ahead of the March 3rd primary, it's important to remember the rules for signs placed along state-maintained roads. According to state law, signs may be installed 30 days before early voting and must be removed within 10 days of Election Day's conclusion. Signs must be placed at least 3 feet from the edge of the pavement, stand no taller than 42 inches, and cannot block drivers' views at intersections. Anyone putting up a sign must have permission from the adjacent property owner. Any sign that violates these requirements or creates a safety concern may be removed. The Alligator River Bridge has been under construction for more than 1 year now. Here's Tim Haas with more information.
Lindsay, I'm here at the scene of the Alligator River Bridge replacement project, a major project that turned 1 year old this week and is making remarkable progress.
The first pile for the new bridge was driven into the bed of the Alligator River on February 18, 2025, and today, all 710 piles are now securely in place. Engineers credit hardworking employees for the impressive progress on the project, but they're quick to point out that speed is not the top priority here.
Just as with all NCDOT projects, we're striving for a safe work environment for the workers. We're also striving for a safe experience for the traveling motorists.
The bridge will replace the 64-year-old Lindsay C. Warren Bridge, a swing span along the Intracoastal Waterway that forces highway traffic to stop each time a boat passes through. The new bridge will be a fixed, high-rise bridge that allows both maritime and vehicular traffic to pass unimpeded.
And if all goes as planned, there will be traffic on this brand new bridge in the fall of 2028. Back to you, Lindsay.
Thanks, Tim.
Multiple North Carolina students are headed to compete nationally in an art contest geared toward aviation. The NCDOT Division of Aviation recently announced the state-level winners, who highlighted this year's theme, Fly to Save Lives. The top 3 artists in each age group will now advance to the National Aviation Art Contest in Washington, D.C., with a chance to compete on the international stage.
That's all for this week's NCDOT Now. Travel safely, North Carolina.